I'm gonna have this mint lemonade. Hi.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone. Hi guys, I'm just waiting for a few more people to join and then I want to talk to you guys. Not for long though because we hate going live apparently. Mera favorite brand. I'm in Dubai right now. Can you hear me? रसोड़े में कौन था? वो कौन थी रसोड़े में? मैं भूल गई. वो काशी थी? वो राशि थी? Oh, it was a song. It was a song and I'm trying to remember what they were. Hi Novi, miss you too. Okay guys, so I have some exciting news and I'm gonna leave this on here. This is for my followers in Dubai. I love you and miss you too, Javeria. My friends are online more than my fans. Okay. So, the news is, this is Danny. He is one of the best
Hello from Dubai.
hairstylists in Dubai. He's the best hair stylist, hair cutter, artist that I've ever worked with. He's a thank you. He's one of the best hairdressers that probably the best who's
Thank you.
Who's touched my hair with scissors and just been phenomenal. And a lot of people know about him. Obviously, he's very famous in Dubai. And a lot of you know that I work with him a lot. So I have...
Because I'm lucky.
He's very talented. So the thing that I'm trying to tell you is that we have a competition coming up for people in Dubai to win free haircuts. Oh, Momal is saying, yes, he's the best in Dubai.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Mama.
Thank you.
So see, all the celebs go to him. So we have a really cool competition coming up very, very soon. Danny's going to select 3 lucky people in Dubai to get his get a haircut from him. So watch this space and you'll find out what to do.
For Pakistan people, inshallah, one day I will come.
Yes, we are bringing him to Pakistan very, very soon, inshallah. So people there can win haircuts as well and book appointments generally also. All right, guys, I hope that was good for today. I'm not going to accept any requests for follows today for, live joining. Yeah, English hai tumhari, wow. Acha bhai, Urdu bhi bahut achhi hai. Thank you, Raisa. I love you too. And if you want a haircut from Danny, follow him at Danny Hairstylist 1. He is in like all my Dubai tags because he's always dressing me up here. So follow him and you'll find out.
Welcome, everyone.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Say hello to Dubai. Goodbye. Hold on, let me figure out how to end this. I always forget.